Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto MT. The Nissan just unveiled a cool new electric SUV concept called the Arizon at the Auto Shanghai 2023 event, and they all says it designed to be helpful companion for drivers. And Nissan has been making electric cars since 2010, starting with the Nissan Leaf, but after that it took them a while to come up with another big electric car. The Leaf used to be popular, but now there are many electric cars and different from different brands. And in 2020, Nissan sold off the Nissan Ariya, another electric car, to catch up with the competition. They finally released it last year and starting at around $43,000 and going up to 216 miles on just single charge, which is so fabulous. And realizing the electric car are the future, Nissan plan to release 9 electric model by the 2030 and at the Shanghai Auto. So Nissan revealed two new electric cars idea. One is a sports car called the Max Out, and another is a Nissan Arizon EV SUV. So Arizon concept is made to be a flexible ride for the driver in China, and it has a modern looks and the built on a special platform, just an electric car inside. It's roomy and has a cool feature like the adjustable lighting on the fancy glass roof. One neat thing about the Arizon is the virtual assistant Pro, which can give a driver info and even chat with them. Nissan aim to make a Arizon a personal ride for the Chinese driver with a lots of connection and the high stuff, and we are still waiting to learn about it. And these new electric car ideas are a part of Nissan plan to have more electric car and the mostly sell electric by 2030. And the Arizon concept look awesome, and with the big doors and the tough design. While it might not exactly the same when it's ready to the road, and it's cool to Nissan trying to out new ideas for an electric car. So guys, thank you for watching. If you wanna more updated, so please subscribe us.